CleanShield HEPA 550 air scrubber, with the smallest and lightest design, is unbeatable compared with other brands in removing airborne miscellaneous debris at 0.3 microns in size, including pollen, plant spores, mold spores, pet dander. Pre-filter, HEPA filter and activated carbon filter are all adopted in the CleanShield 550. The ALORAIR CleanShield HEPA 550 is absolutely powerful in cleaning contaminated air, with pre-filter and activated carbon filter capturing larger particles and the HEPA filter drawing in smaller particles. CleanShield HEPA 550 is capable of cleaning air horizontally and vertically with electricity consumption no more than 3 amps. CleanShield HEPA 550 can produces 550 cfm airflow volume at its peak, which virtually absorb all hazardous particles from the air. During restoration work and drying after water damage, the driving airflow can stir up particulates and particles adhering to the carpet or other materials. Then those dirty particles can be filtrated by the device with the clean, odor-free air. CleanShield HEPA 550, a versatile air scrubber and negative air machine that can effectively complete your water damage restoration tasks, mold remediation works, fire damage restoration, dust control, odor control and sewage remediation. Water damage in a standard Category 1 water damage situation, place the CleanShield 550 HEPA in the middle of the affected area,